Hello students. So in today's class we'll be discussing about advanced algebraic fractions related questions. So I have total 5 questions with me. All these questions are of different types, okay? So we'll be discussing them one by one. So this side I'll be solving each and every question one by one. So let's start with the first one. So the first question says 3 over 5x plus 2 plus 1 over 4x plus 2 equals 2. Now, the first step is that we'll take the LCM, okay? LCM of these numbers. So, when we'll take the LCM, so it will become 3 bracket 4x plus 2 plus 1 bracket 5x plus 2 over 5x plus 2 and 4x plus 2 all together equals 2. Clear? Next, we will just solve it. Then we'll just solve the numerator first. So it will be 12x plus 6 plus 5x plus 2 over. Now we'll solve the denominator. So it will be 5x 4x plus 2 with 4x plus 2 equals 2. Okay. Now it will become 12x plus 6 plus 5x plus 2 over 5x plus 4x will be 20x square plus 10x plus 8x plus 4 equals 2. Now, what we'll do? We will just shift this whole 20x square plus 10x plus 8x plus 4 to this side. So, right now it's in division. So, it will go to the other side. So, it will be in multiplication. Right? So, we will do the same. So, what we'll write? 12x plus 6 plus 5x plus 2 equals 2 multiplied by 20x square plus 10x plus 8x plus 4. Okay. Now, we will simplify this. So, 12x plus 6 plus 5x plus 2 equals 40x square plus 20x plus 16x plus 8. So this becomes, just bring all the same variables to one side and the constants also to one side and make the right hand side equals to 0. Okay, so I'm bringing everything to the left hand side. So 12x plus 6 plus 5x plus 2 minus 40x square minus 20x minus 16x minus 8 equals 0. Okay. Now, I'm just writing all the same variables together and all the same constants together. Okay. Now, it will become minus 40x square. Okay. Let me erase this part. Okay. Minus 40x square plus 12x plus 5x minus 20x minus 16x plus 6 plus 2 minus 8. So let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now equals 0. Just to cross verify, I had done this. Okay. Now 40x will be alone. So we'll write minus 40x square plus 12x plus 5x is 15x. Okay. Now minus 20x minus 16x is minus 36x. Okay. So plus minus will be minus. So the sign will be of minus and we'll just subtract it. So it will be 1 and this will be 2. So it will become minus 21x. Now plus 6 plus 2, that's 8. 8 minus 8, that's 0. So we'll just don't write anything, just do like this. Now what we'll do, we'll just take minus as common. So it will become 4x square plus 21x. Okay. Well, let me just cross verify it. 12 5 17, 17, and it will be plus 17. Okay. 12 and 5 is 17, not 15. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so it will be how much? 19. Okay, so it will be 19x, not 21x. That's why I was thinking that something is wrong. Okay, now 19x equals 0, so it will directly become finally 40x square plus 19x. Okay, now when you will use the quadratic formula, you will get your answer as first x equals 0 and second x as how much? X taken as common, 40x plus 19. So 40x plus 19 equals 0. So x equals 40x equals minus 19. So x equals minus 19 over 40. So we have two equations, two values for x. One is x equals 0 and another is x equals minus 19 over 40. And that is your final answer. So it requires a lot of steps, but all are very simple. If you go in a flow, you will be able to solve it. Okay, it's just lengthy one. You have to concentrate, and even if you make a small mistake, your whole answer will be wrong. Okay, so this is it for the first one. Now let's move to the second one. Let's come to the second solution. So the question is 4x square plus 12x plus 5 over 2x square plus 11x plus 5. So first thing that we will do is we will use the quadratic formula. Okay, in which when we'll add it to make it 12 and we will multiply it to make it 20. Okay, because this 4 and 5 are multiplied together, it becomes 20. Okay, so first of all, let us just focus on the numerator part. So x square, sorry, 4x square plus 12x plus 5. Don't focus on the denominator, just forget about the denominator. We only have 4x square plus 12x plus 5. So let's solve it. So first we need to keep in mind that we need to multiply to get a number that is 20. Okay, and the same number should be added or subtracted to become 12. So 10 and 2 are the numbers. When they will be multiplied, they will give us 20, and when they will be added, they will give us 12. And that's what we need. We need 12 and we need 20 because 5 times 4 is 20. Let's write that. So 4x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 5 for the numerator. Now let's go to the denominator part. Let me just erase this one so that it's much more clear to you. Now let's go to the denominator part. So denominator is 2x square plus 11x plus 5. So when you will multiply 2 with 5, it will be 10. It means you have to multiply to get 10 and you have to add or subtract to get 11. So 10 times 1 is the number which will be multiplied and will get 10, and 10 plus 1 will be 11. The number should be same but should be multiplied and added or subtracted to get the same number. Okay, now we'll write it as 2x square plus 10x plus x or 1x, whatever you can write, plus 5. Okay, now just we'll solve it normally. So let's take just make it the pair of 2 from both the ends, like denominator as well as numerator. I'm taking 2x as common now. So it will be 2x plus 5 plus here in 2x plus 5, this one, there is nothing in common. So we will just take 1 as common and then we will write the same thing, 2x plus 5. Similarly, In the denominator also we'll do the same. We'll take 2x as common and the remaining is x, and 5 here, plus we'll take 1 as common and the remaining is x plus 5. Okay, so always make sure that your this one and this one are always same. Okay, then only you will be able to understand that yeah, your answer is correct. Now we can further write it as 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 1, and this as x plus 5 and 2x plus 1. Now if you see here, 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 are both in numerator as well as denominator, so we will cancel them. So our answer will remain as 2x plus 5 over x plus 5. That's it, and this is our final answer. Okay, I hope it's clear. You don't have any doubt in the second one also. Now if you have any doubt, just make sure that you understand the second one, then only move to the third one. Okay, so the third question says 7m cube times m minus 5 over 2 over 8m minus 1 over 3. These are the powers. Okay, now we have to solve this. How we'll solve this? So first we know that m to the power a times m to the power b is equals m to the power a plus b. This is the formula, right? So if you see the question, it is in the same manner, the numerator is in same manner. There is something with m to the power of something and again m to the power of something. So what we'll do, we'll just add it up together. Okay, so 7m to the power 3 plus minus 5 over 2, okay, over 8m minus 1 over 3. Next step, 7m. Now this will become how much? We'll take the LCM here for the powers, so it will be 2 and it will be 6 minus 5 over 8m minus 1 over 3. Again 7m is 7m to the power of 1 over 2 over 8m to the power of minus 1 over 3. Okay, now again from here, again one more formula comes, that if m to the power a over m to the power b is equals to m to the power a minus b. This is also one of the formula, so we'll be applying this also over here. So what we'll do, we'll write 7 over 8 m to the power 1, not minus, so it will just be 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. So 7 over 8 m, now this will be 6, so 3 plus 2. Okay, 3 plus 2. So 7 over 8 m 5 over 6 to the power 5 over 6. This is your final answer. Okay, that's it. It was easy. You just have to use the formula, these two, and it will be very easy to solve. Okay, let's come to the fourth one. It says x plus 7, x plus 2, 2x plus 6. You have to simplify it. Now first of all, we'll take two of them and we'll solve it. So x plus 2 plus 7, x plus 2, and just write it as it is. Okay, we are not going to simplify it over here, so we'll just write it as it is. So it becomes x square plus 2x plus 7x plus 14, and just write it as it is, 2x plus 6. Now x square plus 9x plus 14 and 2x plus 6. Now what we'll do, we'll take 2x and we will write these whole. So x square plus 9x plus 14. Now again we'll take 6 and we'll write this whole, x square plus 9x plus 14. So it becomes 2x cube plus 18x square plus 26x, sorry, 28x plus 6x square. Now cube will be together, so only one cube is there, so we'll write it like this. Now for squares, we'll write it together, so 18x square plus 6x square. For x, we'll write it together, so 28x plus 54x plus 84. Okay, now simplify it further. So what we can write? 2x cube plus, now 18 plus 6 is how much? 24x square plus 82x plus 84. Okay, and that's your final answer, because x cubes are only 1, x square we have solved, x we have solved, 84 is there, so we cannot solve it further, and that's our final answer. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now let's come to the last one. Okay, so let's come to the fifth one. That's the last one of this video for this video. Now 16 m to the power 8 times n to the power 3 over 3m to the power 6. Now what we'll do, we will write the square roots as the power, so we can simply write it as 16 m to the power 8 n to the power 3 over 3m to the power 6 and the whole to the power of 1 over 2. Now we'll use the law, that's m to the power a to the power b equals m to the power a times b. So we'll write it over here as 4m to the power 4 n to the power 3 times 1 over 2. So that will be how much? 4m to the power 4 n to the power 3 over 2 over 3m to the power 6. Now we'll use again one more equation, one more law, that's m to the power a over m to the power b equals m to the power a minus b. So 4 over 3 m to the power minus 2 n to the power 3 over 2. Why minus 2? Because we did 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6 will be how much? Minus 2. Okay, so I wrote m to the power, because this is with m, this is with m, so we subtracted it, so we wrote it m to the power minus 2, and n is alone, so n to the power 3 over 2, and that is our final answer. Okay, so I hope it's clear to everyone. If still you have any doubt related to any of these 5 questions, do comment me in the comment box below, and if you want any other videos also related to this, do also mention it in the comment box, and I will post some more videos regarding this. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you and have a good day.